Like, I'm experiencing those same emotions without.
All right, so page 372 from yesterday. Again, all trig, no calculus. Let's look at 23b. Cosecant of the arctan. This is from the homework yesterday, yes. Cosecant of the arctan of negative 5/12. So arctan negative 5/12. Use that to draw the picture. Arctangent has to come from 1 and 4. So if it's negative, it'll be in the fourth quadrant. Let's see, opposite over adjacent, or y over x, either way. So opposite is 5, adjacent is 12. The 5 is down, so that's the negative one. It's a 5, 12, 13 triangle. Or a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And then cosecant is the flip of sine, so that's h over o, or r over y, so 13 over negative 5.
Okay, I was just confused because I thought you could also make the 12 negative instead of the 5, but that makes sense.
If you, well, you're right. Just looking at if the tangent's equal to negative 5/12, you don't really know which one was negative. But arctangent has to come from 1 or 4. If the 12 was negative, you would have been, so 5 and negative 12. But you're not allowed to draw a triangle there for inverse tangent. So, good question. But tangent has to come from 1 or 4. Inverse tangent does.
So, like for arctangent, if you don't memorize like that, the thing we did yesterday with the 2,
the little picture thing, yeah.
Can you just like look at it and see like which one is closer to the pi?
Almost always. So the question is, can you just go with the quickest, shortest, simplest? The only exception to me is cosecant is the cotangent, excuse me. Inverse cotangent is the tricky one. Because if you're doing inverse cotangent of negative 4/3, and we'll do the sign of that just to finish the problem. So cotangent is negative in second and fourth. And fourth would be the quickest way, but cotangent is first and second. So you'd have to draw the triangle over there. Adjacent, opposite. Like that. Okay? So yes, you can always do the quickest, shortest, most sensible one, except for the negative cotangent is the only one that might throw you off on just going with whatever makes the most sense. Just to finish that problem, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so 3/5. Other questions from 372?